What's going on, fellas? Check this out. I got a freaking holes in my trailer roof. And this is huge. Look, even the beam is damaged. Look at this. Let's see if this is the only spot. Yeah. I can't believe this. Here almost. Look at this. Wow. Alright, fellas. I'm gonna try to fix this. At least do some temporary fix till I got home. Phew. This is bad. Now I have to put this up there first. It's one by one. Way. Look at this. Look at this damage. Holy crap. How am I gonna fix this? I gotta take a few pictures first. I have to push this beam down somehow, but I don't want it fall down in the trailer. This is crazy. Go and get a screwdriver because I have to lift this. Yeah. What about this one? think I can put this duct tape over it just for now.
And this is really strong duct tape. I used it before and it holds. So no. Okay, I got this little fella. Wow. Let's try to cover this one first.
Crazy. I'm gonna push this little part up. And my stick is too short. Maybe not. Okay. Okay. Let's go up again.
I think I'm gonna push this down all the way. Like this. Okay. It's time for duct tape. And fellas, this is only temporary fix, so till I got back home. This tape, it's super strong. 50% overlap. It's not supposed to rain in like a week or more, so even better. More here, and we should be good with this one. Like I said, it's temporary, it's not gonna leak. Look at this. Okay, now let's go to this big one. And this side is gonna be tricky because it's much more wavy. Ooh. Just like that, fellas, you can have your trailer roof temporarily fixed, and 100% is not gonna leak for a while. Then I have to fix it myself, but I don't think this side easy. This side with the broken beam under it, I don't know. It's gonna have to be a huge patch here, and someone's gonna have to fix this beam. I don't know if I'll do it myself. Okay guys, time to go down.
And that's how it is, and how it looks like from the inside. Not pretty, but it won't leak 100%, at least for now.